These three different data extensions are into relation with each other. How they are into relation? Let's try to build a relation and see. To build a relation, we have to understand the concept of attribute groups. What is attribute groups? When you create data extensions in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, these data extensions might have relational properties that one data extension can have relation with other data extensions, and the other data extension can have data relation with multiple different data extensions. So while creating data extensions that these are into relationship, but system don't know that. System is treating it as a normal data extension. At some point of time, system might require this relationship to take decisions. We will see this when we will study about marketing automations. Currently we are just studying about basics of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Currently we are just studying about basics of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So to tell system how these are into relationship, to tell system how these are into relationship, we have to define attribute groups. What are attribute groups? Attribute groups are logical representation of relational data model which you have built with your data extension. We have to link data extensions in the logical way within attribute group functionality. The sendable data extension would be linked to an object which is known as contact object. Contact object is a super object in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. When I say it is a super object, you can consider it as a subscriber is present in Email Studio, a subscriber can be present in a list, a subscriber can be present in a data extension, and in future if we study mobile studios, a subscriber can be present in mobile studio as well. So there can be multiple different places a subscriber can exist. For system to identify wherever all these subscribers are being utilized, they have to you have to link these subscribers with an object which is the super object in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which is known as contact object. Now you can say that contact object is the base object in Salesforce Marketing Cloud with which all the subscriber details are linked. You can be an Email Studio subscriber, you can be a Mobile Studio subscriber, you can be present in a list, you can be present in a data extension, you can be present in all subscribers list. But at some point of time, you have to take. So it is important for system to know wherever your subscribers are sitting. That is why we link all our data to contacts object and create attribute group. To create attribute group inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud, we will go to Contact Builder. Once we go to Contact Builder, we will find a functionality with name attribute group. We'll go to Data Designer option inside Contact Builder. Inside Data Designer, we have Create Attribute Group option. You can define any name. All these you have to practice because these all will be asked in your interviews. So once we create an attribute group like this, we have the main object available, which is the contacts object. Now the profile data extension or the data extension which contains basic profile like first name, last name, email address, which contains all the channel address of a particular subscriber, should be linked directly to the contacts object. So we'll open our profile data extension. Once we open our profile data extension by selecting the right folder, this is not the profile data extension. we have to link our subscriber key with the contact key. Okay. Once you link your subscriber key with contact key, email address would be linked to email address, phone numbers would be linked to phone number. If you have any other details like device ID on which you have to send push notifications, everything would be automatically linked. Click on save option. So whenever you create a contact based data model, you have to have a data extension, and then you have to create attribute groups. Inside attribute groups, profile data extension should be linked directly to contact object. Now other data extensions in our data model are behavioral data extensions, like the product they have purchased, the bill amount they have acquired. So we'll go and link the behavioral data extension, like the profile data extension is linked to purchase data extension. The subscribers you have stored in profile, those subscribers might have purchased a product. Those subscribers might have purchased a product. So you see that in both data extensions, which is the profile data extension and purchase data extension, we have subscriber key defining the relationship. So we'll select subscriber key relationships, and we can create attribute group like this. Creating data extensions won't create a contact based data model. You have to create attribute groups in order to complete a contact based data model. Now once you create this, the third thing is the third data extension we have to link. But in that third data extension, which is the specifications data extension, we do not have subscriber key. So we have to see how we can build a relationship. So in the specifications data extension and purchase data extension, we have one thing is common, that the product customer has purchased, the same product's color, size, brand, images are present. So we can click on save option. Once we click on save option, we have defined a contact based data model with our data extensions. And now system knows how your data is distributed. At some point of time, we have to take decisions on this data. System can easily understand how to go and relate that relational structure of your model so that it can take efficient decisions. This step is very crucial in marketing automation. Otherwise, system cannot understand the relationships between your data, and then you will be finding very difficult, a lot of difficulty to define relationships and taking decisions on related data model. So now you see that subscriber profile is related to purchase because both data extensions have subscriber keys, and purchase data extension is related to specifications because both data extensions are containing product. System now understands that a contact data is distributed in such a way that a subscriber profile data extension is there, which contains basic data. The same subscriber profiles purchase history is present in this data extension, and the same set of subscribers product specifications are present in this data extension.